Guys, go. Billah. We're gonna be playing this game. I just didn't see him. That's why I said that. Go to it. Fast. Before he comes. Come on. Just open. Oh my god, that took so much time to beat. Okay, where do I go now? Wait, I'm gonna go to YouTube and watch a tutorial. Wait, I'm still recording. Oh my god, I almost had the heartbeats.
The world's biggest glue trap.
That's a sticky one.
Shut up.
Sorry.
Shut up. Oh, Lewis A. Today on Lewis A. By the way, guys, you see this? A video called Leather Lux, the one that's live, yeah? One time I actually called that YouTuber on Discord, actually, wallah. Wait. Here, wait. I'm gonna see my notifications. Just wait for it.
It's enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, tear. It's enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, tear.
Anyways, I'm gonna see a tutorial. Where is it? Okay, here.
أحب أدخل تطبيق أمازون وأقارن الأسعار وأخطف العروض وأوفر.
وفر أكثر.
حمل
تطبيق أمازون.
This gets Go back. Okay, wait. Okay. Now I can see. Stop it also. Go back to Garten of Banban. Okay, go here. And then go out, right? Yeah. And then go here. And just okay, can see. No, not you, dummy. Okay, now it's I can press this stupid button. Okay, then press this. Okay. Okay. Mine already came. Jump onto me. Wait. You go there. Uh-huh. Wait, does this little guy have to come with you? Flood. Okay, press this. I think the green guy is gonna come. I don't think so. What do we do now? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Are we dead? Is this supposed to happen? Yeah. What? What the? That's it?
Download Toca Boca World today.
Garten of Banban 2. Let's see. It's 12? My dad won't let me buy anything off the game store. Who the hell is that, chat? Who the hell is that? No. Okay, I guess I finished it. Bye. I only played the second part of Opila the bird chase. Bye.